Everyone talks about ChatGPT and AI models, but there's a silent war raging behind the scenes. And it isn't about software. It's about the raw compute and cloud infrastructure that actually decides who wins the AI future. On one side, the obvious giant, Amazon Web Services. On the other, the quiet contender that Wall Street and governments underestimated, Oracle. This is the cloud war no one notices. AWS still dominates the global cloud market, nearly 30 to 32% market share, dwarfing every other competitor. That's billions in revenue and decades of scale. They just announced a $50 billion expansion focused on US government cloud and AI infrastructure, showing they're accelerating the arms race, not slowing down. Millions of businesses, from Netflix to NASA, already rely on AWS for mission-critical systems. AWS had a massive outage recently, knocking millions offline and exposing the risks of too much dependency on one provider. And despite its dominance, AWS is being pressured on every front by Microsoft Azure, Google, and even Oracle. Oracle was once seen as just a legacy database company, but in 2025, that perception has changed fast. Oracle's cloud business is now one of the fastest growing segments in tech, with its AI-driven infrastructure strategies gaining serious traction. Analysts are now asking, could Oracle one day challenge or even surpass AWS in AI cloud infrastructure? Oracle's revenue soared, but investors are nervous because the costs are huge. They just reported huge capital spending on data centers, and shares dropped sharply. But here's the twist, that spending is exactly what could make them future champions. The secret isn't just storage or servers, it's AI compute power. AWS just signed a $38 billion infrastructure deal with OpenAI, locking in GPU capacity that will be crucial for future AI models. But Oracle also has multi-billion deals with AI innovators, including the largest cloud commitments ever reported, and major partnerships that are flying under the radar. Some analysts even predict that Oracle's cloud revenue could explode from a tiny slice of market share today to a truly massive force by the end of the decade. Oracle has advantages AWS doesn't always emphasize. Multi-cloud flexibility. Oracle can work with AWS, Azure, and Google, not just against them. Government and sovereign cloud regions. OCI offers isolated infrastructure that meets strict security requirements others can't. Strong enterprise integrations. Oracle's history in databases and mission-critical systems gives it deep roots most cloud players don't have. So here's the real story. The future of AI isn't decided by who builds the smartest chatbot. It's decided by who controls the infrastructure that runs them. AWS is dominant, but Oracle's strategic moves, partnerships, and growing cloud ecosystem mean this war is far from over. In fact, the cloud war of the 2020s could reshape tech forever, and most people still don't notice it.